Hi, I've got this hardware cloth measured out at 32 inches. All I need is 30 inches, but I'm leaving 2 inches at the bottom so I can attach some other hardware cloth to keep predators out of the coop. So I see my 32 line and I'm going to cut right there with this Ryobi tool. I probably shouldn't use this attachment, but it looked like it would work better than the others. Also, if you're going to cut with this, wear safety glasses. And I learned my lesson to take those flip-flops off and put socks and boots on, because this thing throws some sparks when cutting this hardware cloth. So here I'm going to go and cut this. I'll show you how it goes. Oh, it's a heck of a lot quicker than that. This tin snips or wire cutters, whatever you call them. Got them right here. I'm glad for this Ryobi multi-tool because my hand's been hurting all day from, I don't know, it must be arthritis.